Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, let's begin with this question. In this question we have to balance the given redox reaction. So firstly, let's find out the half cell reactions, that is the reduction reaction and the oxidation reaction. So generally oxidation is observed when there is a increase in the oxidation state, and reduction is observed when there is a decrease in the oxidation state. Now in this, on the reactant side, the sulfur is having the +4 oxidation state, and here the sulfur is having the +6 oxidation state. Here chromium is having the +6 oxidation state, and here chromium is having the +3 oxidation state. So now SO32 negative, this is converted into the SO42 negative, that is from here +4 is changes to +6, so here the oxidation occur. And now Cr2O72 negative, this is converted into the Cr3 positive, that is 6 to +3, that is decrease in the oxidation state. Now we get the two half cell reactions. Now let's firstly balance the oxygen atoms. Now if we see on the oxidation reaction, SO32 negative, it will gives the SO42 negative. Now there are 4 oxygen atom on the product side and 3 on the reactant side. So here one water molecule is added to balance the oxygen atoms. Now in the reduction reaction, there are on the this reactant side there is the 7. So here on the product side we need to add the 7 water molecules to balance the oxygen atoms. Now let's balance the hydrogen atoms. Now if we see on the oxidation reactions, there are now 2 hydrogen atoms over here. So here we get the SO32 negative plus water, and now on the reactant side we need to add the 2H positive over there. So here this is the oxidation reaction. Now on the reduction reaction, if we see, there are 7 water molecules on the right hand side, that is on the product side. So Cr2O72 negative, so here we have to add the 14 H positive ions to balance it. So here we left with Cr3 positive plus here get 2 Cr3 positive plus 7 water molecules. Now we have balanced the hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Now let's balance the charges. Now if we on the oxidation reaction, the charge comes to be here SO32 negative plus water, it will give SO42 negative plus 2H positive plus there is a 2 electron. Now after that on the reduction reaction, there is Cr2O72 negative plus 14H positive plus there are 6 electrons involved over here, and it will give 2 Cr3 positive plus 7H water. Now now we have to equalize the charges. So there is 6 and there is 2, so this will be multiplied by 3 and this will be multiplied by 1 to equalize the charges. Now if we see, now we get the final balanced equation over here. Now this is multiplied by 3, so 3SO32 negative, which is in the aqueous phase, plus 3 plus here we left with the, now here comes the Cr2O72 negative, which will in the aqueous phase, plus here we left with the, now here there are 14H positive ions and there are 6H positive ions, so we left with the 8H positive ions, and this will result to the formation of, now here on the reactive product side there are 3 SO42 negative ions plus here we get the 2 Cr3 positive ions plus we left with the, now if there are 7 water molecules and there are 4 water molecules, so 7 minus 4 we left with 7 minus 3, there are 3 water molecules on the oxidation reaction and 7 on the reduction reaction. So 7 minus 3 we left with the 4 water molecules. So this is the final balanced equation. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.